All right, how to fix boring resumes. So I think everybody agrees resumes suck. We do one quick Google search, they're so boring. As a software engineer, they're terrible to make. Oh, and also getting a job is really hard. You have to apply to all these jobs that a bunch of other people are applying to. And when you do go to apply to them, there's already, hundreds of applicants. So maybe you're a web developer and you can make web portfolio. That's really great. Maybe you're like this guy who makes his website where he shows off what he's done with this amazing website. But if you're like me, you don't know how to make that, and so that sucks. So, what if you're a data scientist, machine learning engineer, or non web developer? What can you do? Well, we have our own powerful tools, Python and Jupyter Notebook. So, the first idea is basically take your resume and turn it into a Python source code file. Basically, have the same content, but just kind of spices it up, makes it look more software engineering type thing. The second idea, which I'm way more excited about, is basically turning your resume into a Jupyter notebook that actually uses a real Python package. So you build a Python package named whatever your name is, and then basically with that, you can call different methods that show your cool experience. So maybe you have a Gantt chart that shows your job history and a spider plot showing your skills. Maybe you have a 2D heat map showing your GPA from school or something, education, and other more ML plots. So it's just a way to spice up your resume. I think it's pretty fun. All right, let me know if you guys are interested in trying that. Go figure.